Hey, homeroom. So I know I told you guys between 1:30 and 2:30, I would be here for help, but I know some of y'all that's not going to work. So I want to make sure that you know how this schedule works and an example. So I'm going to go through one. I've added it to our week. So again, so we're in our classroom. You know I like the classwork tab. Up at the top is our meet, our expectations, your notebook. Our week's work is here, and the student schedule. This again is the planner for you. Let me move my face out of the way. So your name should be in here. So if I was making this for me, remember these are the times you are in your class with us. So obviously you're not doing work. They let me know, so your UA times, I feel you're not going to be able to do work either. So I block these out for UA. And then in between that to your UA times, I figured y'all would eat lunch, if I could type today. So we have lunch because that's important. We get hungry. I know I do. And then remember, we've got that 6 hours. So again, that 6 hours per subject is what you would have had if you were in my class for that 75 minutes every day, plus the little bit of homework you would have got from me and stuff to finish up and all your other classes. So you're only with me for a half hour a day. This means that some of it, most of it, has to be done on your own. So if y'all logged into Membeam, that's an hour a week for me that should be taken off your plate, done on your own. You shouldn't need me. It can be done anytime, just before the end of the week for that time slot. If I were you, I would map out math first, because I know Mrs. Tracy has a lot of concepts that build upon each other every day. So I would probably carve out the beginning part of my day just to make sure that I don't get confused on what I'm doing. So I would probably look at doing that. So 2, 4, oh, you have too many hours. This is why I don't teach math. So if I have about an hour each day, we took our time out. If I have about an hour each day, if I do those 4 days and stick with my math that hour in a row, I'm going to build in maybe a buffer later. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5. And then maybe, if it was me, I'm telling you that my dad helped me with my homework, so by the time he got home from work, it would probably be 6 or 7 o'clock. And then that's going to be where I ask those questions for math. And then maybe you're not a fan of ELA, so you just want to get it done for the week, and we're just going to do it for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we're going to carve out our ELA time. And then social studies, and science, and science, and science, and then maybe social studies. So we have all of that plugged in for our time, and there you're going to get your 6 hours. It also gives you wiggle room for dinner if you've got a doctor's appointment, a dentist appointment. But remember, this may not work for you if you're sharing a device with somebody, so it could get tricky. But this is just an example. I tried to keep your weekends open because no one wants to do work on the weekend, plus technically it's due on Friday. So this is just an example to help y'all out. Make sure you hit turn in for me, so I can see that and give that to Mr. Bennett. And if you have any questions, feel free again to log in during the help time. Send some emails, remind messages, and we'll go from there.